Unidentified drones have been reported in Denmark, while a plausible origin could be Russia due to its ongoing invasion of Ukrainian territory, as well as a recent incident involving 19 Russian drones that deliberately entered Polish airspace. Some of the objects reported by civilians appear to be glowing orbs of light. Another country that reported detecting drones of unknown origin was France. In this case, the drones were only visually identified, as they did not appear on radar. The French military believes these were small drones, intentionally designed to evade radar detection. The growing number of unidentified aerial objects over European countries only deepens a mystery and brings to mind the cases of mysterious drones over New Jersey and other regions around the globe between November 2024 and January 2025. Although one hypothesis, put forward by ufologist Pablo Villarrubia Mauso, suggests that the UFO wave reported from late 2024 to early 2025 might have been part of a psychological or social experiment orchestrated by a U.S. intelligence agency. 10 months have now passed since December 2024. As of September 2025, sightings of mysterious drones have increased, especially across European skies. The drones observed in Denmark are particularly mysterious because if they were being used for espionage, they would likely not have had visible signal lights. Nevertheless, the idea that Russian drones might intentionally make themselves visible to Danish radar in order to study NATO's response remains plausible. The same reasoning could apply to the small drones in France, which were not picked up by radar, but were visually detected by the French military. Since December 2024, there have been ongoing incidents of misidentification by civilians who have confused planes and drones with UFOs. However, it is still possible that some of the orb sightings reported by civilians could be genuine UFOs or UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena. Ufologist Pablo Villarrubia Mauso, Edison Boaventura Júnior, and Rony Vernet consider it highly likely that at least 3 nations have, to some extent, succeeded in reverse engineering UFO technology. If this is the case, some of the UFOs and drones could in fact be classified military assets used for espionage, intimidation, or to test aerial defense reactions in response to incursions into foreign airspace. It is almost certain that Russia employs conventional drone technology to test NATO's responses. However, if disruptive technologies derived from recovered UFOs are indeed operating in European airspace, they are more likely to originate from China. Another possibility that cannot be ruled out is that, in addition to conventional military drones and potential secret disruptive technologies, there may also be authentic UAPs of non-human origin. These may have an agenda of their own, perhaps, as suggested by ufologist Rony Vernet, even attempting to accelerate the onset of a nuclear conflict. This hypothesis gains further weight from an older report by investigative journalist George Knapp. According to Knapp, in 1982, the Soviet Union came dangerously close to launching a nuclear warhead toward the United States via an intercontinental ballistic missile. He claimed to have accessed Soviet documents describing how this near-catastrophic event may have been triggered by a UFO. Thank you for watching.